One multiplication trick used by toppers to save time is base 100 multiplication concept, used for multiplication of two numbers near 100, like 97 multiplied by 96. Both the terms are close to 100. 97 is 100 minus 3. Take only minus 3. And 96, 100 minus 4. Keep minus 4. In the next step, take sum of the cross numbers 97 plus minus 4 or 96 plus minus 3. They both give the same result, 93. Now simply multiply 93 by 100 plus take the multiplication of minus 3 and minus 4, 12. This becomes 9312. Let's practice a few more examples that are slightly different but use the same concept. 104 multiplied by 106. Now 104 is 100 plus 4. Keep plus 4. 106, 100 plus 6. Keep plus 6. Next, take cross addition of any two terms. 104 plus 6, 110. Simply multiply 110 by 100 and add 4 into 6, 24. And the result you get 11024. Last is the most important example. Look carefully. 91 multiplied by 104. Here one term is less than 100 and other more than 100. Let's see how to solve this. 91 is 100 minus 9. Keep minus 9. And 104, 100 plus 4. Keep plus 4. Take cross addition of any two terms. 91 plus 4 gives 95 multiplied by 100 plus minus 9 into 4 minus 36. This becomes 9500 minus 36, 9464. Remember, with a little bit practice, these questions can be solved in just 2 seconds.